Hi, welcome to this video on how to deposit fiat money on Gate.io. First, go to the Gate.io main website. Log into your account or create one if you don't have an account yet. Once you're logged in, click on Assets in the top right-hand corner, then click on Spot. This will take you to a new page. In the top right-hand corner, click on Buy Crypto. You will then be taken to a page where you can buy USDT using your credit card. Enter the amount you want to deposit and select the credit card option. On the right-hand side, you'll see the fee amount and the net amount you will receive. For example, if you deposit $100, you'll get $95 after a $5 fee. Tick the box to agree to the terms and services. Then, click Continue. You will be directed to a page where you need to enter your credit card details. Once you've done that, click Confirm, and the money will be deposited into your account. That's how to deposit fiat money on Gate.io. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.